Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eventia XL coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this Issa Rae inspired makeup look. And I also did, you know, the hair and whatnot, because I saw her cover, you know. I was shook, so I figured I have box braids. I barely get to do anything with these box braids, and I might as well recreate her look. And if you don't know what her look is, bam, that's the look. So today we're gonna try and recreate that. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with skincare first, because skincare is the most important care. If you want to glow from within, you gotta take care of your skin. The first thing I'm gonna do, since I already washed my face, is use my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel. And I really like this moisturizer. At first I didn't think a gel moisturizer would work for my skin type because I'm combination oily, but this has been a lifesaver. We can't leave our eyes out of this, you know. We gotta keep our eyes moisturized. I'm gonna go in with my Philosophy Purity Made Simple Eye Bounce Gel. Just gonna apply this with my ring finger. And for the final step, I am gonna go into my Clarins Pore Control. I really like this serum. That definitely does fill up my pores, and my skin looks a lot more smoother when I use it. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the base of my face. We're gonna start off by priming our face, and I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I just have the travel size because that's how I roll. Now that I've primed my face and I prepped it for the foundation, I do want to go in and color correct a little bit because I do have a lot of discoloration around this area, and there's some spots on my face that I just want to get rid of. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use the color orange to color correct. So this is how my face looks after I've color corrected. I know I look crazy, but it's gonna look crazy before it looks good, okay? And now I'm gonna move on to my foundation, and my baby is this one right here. It is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from NARS. I really like this because it comes out more moussey than other foundations. This foundation definitely gives off that effect of baby soft skin. Now I am going to move on to contouring. I'm gonna use the foundation stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like using this as my contour. Especially when I want a warmer, glowy face. I will go in with a warmer contour. I'm gonna move on to concealer, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the color 390. I find that this concealer definitely does crease a lot more by itself than it does when it's partnered up with another concealer, but I do like the coverage of it. Now for extra brightness, I go in with my ColourPop concealer, and this is in the color Dark 42. So now I'm gonna go into setting my face, and I'm gonna use the Dermablend setting powder, and this one is in the color Banana. So now I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the powder version, and I'm going to use this middle color right here. I think this one is the Tan to Deep palette, so I use this color right here. I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. She is rocking a very simple pink eye. So I figured in this video I might as well try out the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills because they definitely have some poppin' pink. We are going to prime it with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I have upgraded from my Forever 21 $2 eyeshadow primer to this bad boy. So now that my lids are primed and ready, I'm gonna go into Monte Carlo. I'm gonna put Monte Carlo on my lid. I feel like I have to deepen up that color anyway, so I'm gonna go in with Bahamas. I feel like hers has a little bit more red in it. So I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Festival palette, by the way. I'm gonna take this red color right here and I'm gonna pat that over Bahama. Oh, let's do the bottom lash line. The bottom lash line, I feel like it's just a dark brown. So we're gonna take Palm right here. We're gonna put Palm on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, this shimmer. I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner. To brighten up that inner corner even more, I'm gonna go in with Seaside. I'm gonna use my NYX vinyl liner in black, and I'm gonna just create a quick wing. I'm gonna add on some lashes and I'll be right back. I added on some lashes, but hers are very natural looking and mine aren't. I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna use that as a sort of bronzer for my face. So for the lip colors, it looks like she has a muted purple. Not a muted purple, I'm just saying words because I think I'm cool. But I feel like I don't really have a lip color like that. I'm gonna take this lip liner from NYX. It's in the color Espresso. I'm just gonna line my lips real quick. I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro lipstick, and it's in the color Petal. So I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. This color and then this color together. So for highlight, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop's Au Revoir. This is one of their luster dusters. Now I'm gonna set it, and I'm gonna use my Mini Baby Fix It. Alright, so now that my makeup's done, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna add the scarf, I'm gonna finish off the look, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back, and I switched to some more natural, lightweight looking lashes because the other lashes were way too overpowering for this simple goddess look, okay? And I also added a nice little headband like she has in her picture, you know. And I also paired it with some earrings. I know she has some nice drop earrings, but I have one, but I can't find it anywhere. So I just settled for some hoops. This is basically the finished look. This is your Issa Rae Essence cover, alright? Really liked how this came out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.